Looking to boost your income? Whether you want to save for a dream vacation or pay off debts, having a side hustle can make a significant difference. In this video, we'll explore 10 lucrative side hustles that can help you earn extra income and achieve your financial goals. Creative ways to make money from your hobbies, turning crafts into cash. Showcase how viewers can monetize their crafting hobbies by selling their handmade products. Provide tips on setting up an online store, participating in craft fairs, and utilizing social media platforms to reach potential customers. Monetizing your photography passion. Share ways to turn a love for photography into a profitable venture. Discuss options like selling prints or digital downloads, offering photography services for events or portraits, or licensing images to stock photography websites. Blogging for profit. Explore the world of blogging and demonstrate how viewers can make money from their passion for writing. Discuss topics like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and creating and selling digital products or e-books. Cooking or baking for profit. Inspire viewers to turn their culinary skills into a lucrative side hustle. Offer ideas such as starting a food blog or YouTube channel, providing catering services for events, or selling baked goods at local markets or through online platforms. Fitness and wellness side hustles. Discuss opportunities for fitness enthusiasts and wellness advocates to earn money from their passion. Explore options like becoming a personal trainer, teaching fitness classes, offering nutrition coaching, or creating and selling workout programs online. Music-related side hustles. Cater to musicians by sharing unique ways to generate income from their musical talents. Ideas could include offering music lessons, performing at events or gigs, composing music for films or commercials, or selling royalty-free music online. Gaming and streaming for profit. Tap into the world of gaming and streaming by highlighting ways viewers can monetize their gaming hobbies. Discuss platforms like Twitch or YouTube, sponsorships, donations, and creating merchandise related to their gaming content. Gardening and plant-based side hustles. Explore how plant enthusiasts can transform their green thumbs into profitable ventures. Offer ideas such as selling plants or cuttings, offering gardening services or consultations, or creating and selling gardening-related products like planters or botanical prints. Language and tutoring services. Encourage viewers with language proficiency to monetize their skills by offering tutoring or language translation services. Discuss platforms for online tutoring or freelance translation work, or even starting their own language learning courses. DIY and home improvement side hustles. Showcase how DIY enthusiasts can turn their home improvement skills into a money-making opportunity. Discuss ideas like offering handyman services, refurbishing and selling furniture, or creating DIY tutorial videos on platforms like YouTube. Side hustles for digital nomads. Cater to viewers interested in a location-independent lifestyle by suggesting side hustles that can be done while traveling. Highlight opportunities like online tutoring, virtual assisting, freelance programming, or content creation. Low-investment side hustle ideas. Provide a list of side hustles that require minimal upfront investment. Ideas could include starting a dropshipping business, offering consulting services in a specific niche, or becoming an affiliate marketer. Quick cash side hustles. Offer side hustle ideas that can help viewers make quick cash in a short amount of time. This could include options like participating in online surveys, delivering groceries, doing gig work, or renting out a spare room on accommodation platforms. Passion to profit. Turning your expertise into a side hustle. Inspire viewers to leverage their professional skills and knowledge to create a side business. Discuss ideas like coaching or consulting in their field of expertise, offering training programs or workshops, or becoming a freelance writer or editor. Seasonal side hustles. Explore side hustle opportunities that are particularly in demand during specific seasons or events. This could include ideas like holiday decorating services, event planning, wedding photography, or tax preparation services. Side hustles for stay-at-home parents. Provide side hustle ideas that are suitable for stay-at-home parents who want to earn income while taking care of their children. Ideas may include virtual assisting, blogging, running an online store, or offering childcare services from home. Side hustles for college students. Share side hustle ideas specifically tailored to college students. This could include options like tutoring, freelancing in their field of study, selling handmade products on campus, or starting a small local service-based business. Unique and unconventional side hustles. Introduce viewers to unusual or lesser-known side hustle opportunities that they may not have considered. This could include ideas like renting out your car, participating in market research studies, becoming a mystery shopper, or selling stock photography. Remember to provide guidance and tips on getting started, marketing strategies, and managing time effectively when pursuing a side hustle. Encourage viewers to choose a side hustle that aligns with their interests, skills, and available time commitment.